This video is applicable for the removal and installation of Arnott's new and remanufactured rear air shocks, part numbers AS2127 and AS2411 for the Cadillac Escalade, Chevrolet Tahoe, Suburban, and the Avalanche, and the GMC Yukon, including the Denali. Your vehicle may look different than the one used in this video. Please refer to the Arnott installation manual that comes with your purchase for additional information and safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnecting the battery. To avoid the possibility of short circuits while working with electric components, consult your owner's manual on how to disconnect your battery. Always wear safety glasses when doing automotive maintenance. Removal. Step 2. Disconnecting the air compressor fuse. Starting in the engine compartment, locate the fuse box. Locate the air compressor fuse. Then, disconnect the air compressor fuse. Once the fuse is removed, raise the vehicle. Removal. Step 3. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 4. Disconnecting the shock sensor connectors. Disconnect the shock sensor connector at the top of the shock. Disconnect the air line by turning the clip 90 degrees. Removal. Step 5. Removing the shock assembly. You may need to use the floor jack to relieve pressure from the upper and lower shock absorber bolts. Remove the lower shock nut and bolt. Remove the upper shock nut and bolt. Finally, remove the shock assembly from the car. Install. Step 1. Installing the Arnott rear air shocks. With the floor jack still in place, install the shock. Install the shock absorber's lower retaining bolt. Install the top bolts to the shock absorber. Then, raise the vehicle. Install. Step 2. Tightening remaining hardware. Tighten the shock absorber's retaining nuts and bolts. Reconnect the air supply line and tighten. Next, reconnect the electrical connectors. Install. Step 3. Installing the wheel. Install the rear tire and tighten all lug nuts. Install. Step 4. Installing the air compressor fuse. Reinstall the air compressor fuse. Install. Step 5. Reconnecting the battery. To avoid the possibility of short circuits while working with electric components, consult your owner's manual on how to reconnect your battery. Installation completed. Congratulations! Lower the car to test drive and check the installation.